In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default Google Translate language on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you often browse websites in another language and want Chrome to automatically translate pages into the language you prefer. Instead of changing the translation language every single time, you can set it once and make your browsing experience much smoother and faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page, where you can control everything from privacy options to language preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Languages. This is where Chrome stores all the language and translation settings for your browser. Now look over to the right side of the screen and locate the Google Translate section. Depending on your Chrome version, you may need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be listed under the language options. Once you see it, click on the setting labeled Translate into this language. A list of available languages will appear, and this is where you can choose your new preferred target language. Select the language you want Chrome to use whenever it translates a foreign web page. After you choose it, Chrome will automatically update the default translation target for your browser. That means whenever you visit a page in another language and use Google Translate in Chrome, it will now translate into the language you selected instead of the old default. This is especially helpful if you work in multiple languages, travel often, or simply want a more personalized browsing setup. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default Google Translate language on Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides, browser tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.